So I ordered this motion sensor light switch from Amazon and I'm going to install it in my garage. It comes with its instructions. This was the packing. These are some of the screws. So the good things about it, it has a LED indication light, a switch for auto off or on, and inside this you open this from here are the two settings for illumination level, that when should it turn on. During the daylight it will not, and the second is time delay, that for how long should the switch be turned on. This is how it looks from the back side. To install it into an existing outlet for the switch, I believe I will have to remove this backing plate and through these screws. So let me start doing that, and I will also read the instructions to understand, because in some of the comments I have seen that these wires are not as per the NEMA code. So what do these wires mean? I will have to read the instructions. So this is a switch that I'm going to replace. It controls my garage light. So I will remove this backing plate as I don't know at this time if this is a switch controlled by 2 wires or 3 wires, because the motion sensor switch requires 3 wires. So let's open and see. I have opened the backing plate and it has 3 wires. Seems like this installation will not be that difficult. So let me begin the work. I successfully connected it because I just tested it also. Red goes to red, black goes to black, and the green goes to the white, not to your ground. This is the only difference you have to be careful about. So this is a perfectly made connection. I've tested it. Let me put everything back and then I'll show you all. So I have completed the installation and here is how it looks. The fit and finish is not as good as these other switches, as you can see. It is working fine. If you turn it to on, as you can see the lights are turned on. If you turn it to auto, it will not turn on because of the settings. This is the timer, so for how long the light should stay on when on auto. And this is the illumination sensitivity. So when turned fully left, it will only turn on when there is darkness. And if you want to test it during the daytime, you can turn it fully clockwise over here. So it will turn on even when it is daytime. So I have turned it down to dark mode, put it on auto, and later on I will check how does it work. This lid goes here. The bottom part of that notch goes in there, and it has 2 other plastic locks on the side and 1 on top. It looks like the one on the top has chipped when I was trying to open it, but I'll see if I can fix it back properly. So far so good. Other than the fit and finish not being very good, it seems to be working fine. I'll check it during the night time. How does it work? And then I will give feedback.